In this clip we're going to discuss the use of an auxiliary flash on your 35mm SLR camera. Portable flash units greatly enhance the quality of your personal pictures. Flash units vary in price, power, and features that are built into them. Some flash units are dedicated to the body of the camera that you're using, which means that once you connect the flash to the camera, internal connections make all the settings automatically and you're ready to take your pictures. Some units need to be adjusted manually and require much more practice to make sure that you have a proper exposure. Some flash units use batteries only. Others allow you to connect an auxiliary battery pack to the flash unit, which greatly increases the number of flashes you can take before a recharge. Different types of settings that you can change on a flash includes TTL, which measures light off the inside of the camera and is much more accurate. Automatic, which uses an external sensor that measures light bouncing off the subject and changes the flash power accordingly. And home speed and the f-stop on the flash unit, and it will tell you how far away you need to be from the camera to make a proper exposure. If you're serious about your photography, I highly recommend that you purchase an auxiliary flash for your camera.